So guys, welcome to another Elite Cars review, and today we are going to be showing you this absolutely spectacular Rolls-Royce Wraith black badge. I'm going to tell you all about the engine power, all the features, why the black badge is called the black badge, and also a little bit of history about Rolls-Royce, right? But before I do that, I need to remind you one more time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. Now, before I can start, I'm going to get this beauty inside for you. Rolls-Royce, known globally to be the absolute pinnacle of automotive luxury. Henry and Charles Rolls and Royce started Rolls-Royce in 1904. They came from very, very different backgrounds, but they had a very successful partnership because they had such a massive love for engineering. 1907, they released what was then the world's best car, which was the six-cylinder Silver Ghost, right? And from there, that's a lot of heritage, guys. That's going back a long, long time. And from there to where we are now, I tell you something, Rolls-Royce has always maintained that standard of being the world's most luxurious car. The Wraith is the fastest, most powerful Rolls-Royce production car available. Look at the size of this V12. It's a 6.6 litre twin turbocharged engine. It's a work of art. Look how smooth, it's just purring, it's just so smooth. You know what, I know there's a trend a while ago where people actually putting coins on top of the engine and the coin was not moving. It stands true, guys. I'm looking at this right now and this thing isn't even vibrating. I don't know how Rolls-Royce has done it, but they've done an absolutely phenomenal job on this. Now, get this, guys, right? It's a big, heavy car, right? It weighs 2.5 tons and it's producing 632 brake horsepower. That is serious numbers, guys. Now, the first model I mentioned, right, which is like the Silver Ghost, right, 1907, 10 brake horsepower. Gone from 10 brake horsepower to 632. Can you believe it? This thing moves like an absolute train. It does 0 to 100 in 4.4 seconds. That is impressive numbers for a Rolls-Royce, guys, something that weighs 2.5 tons. I mean, I'm telling you, it's a powerhouse. Now, with this being a Wraith black badge, it's going to look a little bit different to any of the Wraith you're going to see out there because this is the high specification from Rolls-Royce. Keep in mind, it's also customizable. Everything from Rolls-Royce is customizable. I'm going to tell you more about the spec on this one as we go inside the vehicle, but let me tell you a little bit more about the exterior and those black touches. Now, the Spirit of Ecstasy has been blacked out. I will tell you a little bit more about her very, very shortly. We've got a blacked out grille right here, and the way they've designed the Wraith, the first thing I think when I see it is long, low, and lean, and that's how I believe a coupe should be. Let me know in the comments what you think of the styling of the Wraith. The reason I'm saying that is because it's so subtle, yet it's so muscular. You know, it's smooth, but it's still dominating. I don't know how Rolls-Royce has done it, but I really believe they've kind of got that perfect kind of synergy, that combination of sports, yet luxury, all in one package. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Wraith itself, because I'm really interested to see what you guys say. But anyway, moving back down, further down the vehicle, like I mentioned, it is quite subtle in its styling, right? But because it's a black badge, we've got this double coach line, hand painted all the way down the side of the vehicle, and it matches the interior beautifully. It just sets the car off, right? The crown in the jewel, however, guys, is this over here, this rim, right? The way they've designed it, it's elegant, yet it's still aggressive. They've done an amazing, Rolls-Royce has done an amazing job on this rim. I think it looks fantastic. But the beauty of it is this here, the wheel itself, it's haloed by a full carbon fiber composite, guys. That rim, this black rim I'm touching, is full carbon fiber. You do not want to curb it. Trust me, do not curb it if you've got one, right? But it's haloed, and in the center is the self-correcting Rolls-Royce badge. It looks absolutely stunning when it's in motion, guys. Such a good looking wheel. And as we move further down, like I said, it is quite subtle in its styling, right? We've got the blacked out Rolls-Royce badge side indicator covers down there. big old door handle, so you know you're in a Rolls-Royce, right? And as we're going further down, we've got this nice swooping back end that just kind of melts into the back. I mean, looking down the side of this car, like I said, guys, it's subtle, but it is super, super muscular. Around the back of the vehicle as well, everything is in black chrome. It's all blacked out, being a black badge. So as I promised earlier on, guys, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this beautiful world-famous hood ornament, the Spirit of Ecstasy. Now it's depicting a woman in flowing gowns, leaning forward as if to jump into the wind. The Rolls-Royce hood ornament has often been identified as the Flying Lady. The Spirit of Ecstasy's active and engaged posture symbolizes freedom of thought and bold action, and the flowing dress is clearly reminiscent of the wings of a plane. Now, as we know, Rolls-Royce also makes aeroplane engines too, right? So you see the connection, but it also symbolizes the freedom of movement and exploration, the desire which is fueled the birth of Rolls-Royce as a brand. Before we enter the cabin of this luxurious beast of a car, I'm going to show you a little quirky feature, right? I'm sure you probably all know this, but I'm going to show you anyway. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a second, all right? But before you even enter the car, right, if you look down here, there's a little button. You pop the button. Oh, the Rolls-Royce umbrella pops out, made for the chauffeurs. This will keep the sun off you and keep the rain off you. This is actually made out of carbon fiber. If you wanted to buy one of these umbrellas directly from Rolls-Royce, you're talking over 700 USD. That's how serious this is. But guys, the surprising thing is, you think, okay, right, get my umbrella, wrap it up, and I'll pop it back inside, right? However, there is actually a special drainage system within the vehicle itself to wick off all that water, and it's also got a warm air system as well to dry the umbrella. How sophisticated is that? Now this is luxury at its finest. Sitting inside this black badge, oh my god, you feel like royalty, no word of a lie, with this deep red lush leather interior, and it's lathered in carbon fiber, but not any old carbon fiber, guys. This is impregnated with an aluminium weave. It looks absolutely unreal. We've got this really beautiful chrome touches throughout the vehicle too. We've got the digital display right here. We've got the bespoke audio system, which you'll find in every single black badge, and above me is the Starliner. Hold tight, because I'm going to tell you a little bit more. Now this is another thing that Rolls-Royce is known for, is this absolutely gorgeous starlight roofliner. Now the Rolls-Royce is known for the star-filled night sky roof. This iconic feature was actually launched in 2007 and debuted in the Phantom with just 800 lights. It creates the illusion of a dazzling night sky. Hundreds of fiber optic lights shine through the leather on the roof and can now be personalized up to 3,600. You see that for Evolution, guys, from 800 to 3,600, and they've done an absolutely spectacular job with it as well. Now the brightness of the Rolls-Royce created stars can be adjusted to complement the owner's mood and needs. Honestly, guys, when you're sitting inside with the Starliner on top, it just gives you a completely different feeling. Now, another thing that the black badge actually has massaging seats. Now, the seats needing power will relax all the four passengers, because that's obviously what you want in a Rolls-Royce. The executive seat, of course, is best equipped massage, giving you waves that go from the top to the bottom of your back. It's such an amazing feeling, and that's complemented by shoulder to lumbar massage, given by a separate set of settings. Now, as we look towards the rear of the vehicle, and obviously in the headrest as well, you're going to see the infinity symbol. All right, this is a statement made by Rolls-Royce representing infinite power. This emblem was once marked historical water speed records, a hallmark trusted by adrenaline pioneers. Now it's an icon of the black badge. So the black badge pretty much is the true definition of luxury. But who do you think does it better, Bentley or Rolls-Royce? Let me know in the comments, man. I'm really interested to see what you think. Both are absolutely phenomenal at what they do. However, guys, this Wraith, this black badge, we can ship it to you anywhere in the world. And if you want to come and visit us, you are more than welcome to. We're located in Abu Dhabi and in Dubai. Now, before I let you go, I need to let you know something. You've got to stay tuned for the next video, because it's hyper. It's rare. There's a lot of noise about it. And we're going to be going from a luxury land yacht through to an absolute track weapon. Guys, you're going to want to watch what we're going to pull out next. But don't forget, subscribe, like, and hit that bell button, guys. I'm going to see you all very, very soon.